Hi, Luz. How are you doing today?
Hi, Leslie. I'm doing all right. It's a beautiful day today.
It is, and so glad we had a little bit of rain last night. I hope we do get more at the end of this week, right?
Yeah, that will be awesome.
Well, I'm so happy to be here with you today at 1929 Mississippi Avenue in Englewood. This is a great,
Ooh,
great,
I
great
love
location. Yeah,
it
it just
is.
makes you want to go out in the boat, doesn't it?
Yes, and it's very close to everything.
It is. It is just across from Stump Pass on Mississippi Avenue on the San Victoria Canal. And it has a 20,000-pound boat lift. Let's go ahead and start this. It has a 20,000-pound boat lift that is separate from the boat basin. It also has a boat basin, which you're going to see here in a minute. But this home has been lovingly cared for. It's built in 1965. You would never know it except for the gorgeous terrazzo floors in there, right?
I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, they're just gorgeous terrazzo floors in there. And this owner has done a lot of things to update this house. She's put in impact windows everywhere. There's new windows and new sliding glass doors and a newer roof, and the pool has been installed recently too.
Yeah, the pool is beautiful.
Yeah. We're going to get out there in a minute to the pool. But she did also do an update in the kitchen. So the kitchen has newer cabinets. And this that you're seeing right now, this is the Florida room, and it gives you a beautiful view of the canal. There it is. You could use this. You could actually probably make an extra bedroom out here, but you don't really need to because there's 3 bedrooms already. Nice galley kitchen and an inside laundry room.
That's really rare in that time,
Yeah,
the
for that
building
age.
in 60s.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It used to be outside.
Yep. They
So
used to
that's
be in
an
the garage.
upgrade.
Yep. This one, it was built this way though, because the terrazzo goes right in there. And you know what? I don't know if you can tell out those windows. Out of each bedroom window, you can see the water. There's a vacant lot across the street too. So from every window, you have a water view. Nice big bedrooms with big closets. And this is the guest bathroom here that you're seeing.
Yeah.
Everything is just meticulously maintained. This owner took care of it like this was her dream home.
That's the master.
This is the master, yes, and there's a master bath right off of it. Yeah. What can you do with that blue tile? I think she did a great job with the decor in there. I like
Yeah, it
retro.
matched.
I like the retro. I would leave it.
There is the
That's the laundry. There's the garage. This is an oversized 2-car garage. Plenty of room. And there's the new pool. It has seating in there.
you can see from there.
Yeah,
Oh
that's all the way
yeah,
down the
you have
canal. Yeah. And it's almost new, so you're not going to have any problems with the canal. Oh, here's the boat basin. This is the boat basin for up to a 50-foot yacht, and this has its own electric and its own water hookup that is separate from the house. Beautiful. Now I think we're going to have some aerial shots here that show you. There's that boat lift. So this is unique with that cover on that boat lift. She has an agreement with the installers that if there's a hurricane coming, they will come and take the cover off and then come and put it back up after the storm's over. It's a large, large lot. Where would we go boating from here? We could go to Stump Pass. go to the beach, go to the Stump Pass Beach State Park. You can get out in the Gulf. That's hope. Now you'll see this neighborhood has a lot of homes that have been updated to the newer elevated style homes, and that is a possibility if you wanted that here. And this would be an ideal property to do that on because of the extra value of that boat basin. Look how close you are to the Gulf here. You just go out the end of the canal and to your left, and there you are at Stump Pass. How quick would that be? It's got to be less than 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Mm-hmm. Makes me want to go kayaking.
Oh, that's for sure. I love kayaking. Look at how beautiful it looks that.
I know.
And it's so easy to get out.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
There's 255 feet of seawall on this property. So if you had more boats or you had a jet ski and you wanted to add a jet ski lift, you've got plenty of room to do that here. Lots and lots of room.
Yeah, just you can do, if you don't want to use the boat, the basin that is to the side, you can do something for your kayaks or for your
Sure you could.
jet ski. Mm-hmm.
If you knew somebody who had a boat and you don't have a boat like that yourself, I'm sure you could probably find a renter for that boat basin. Pay the taxes. Lots of options there.
And you don't have restrictions, so nobody will tell you what to do.
No, there's no deed restrictions in this area. So that is 1929 Mississippi Avenue in Englewood. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 941-681-3420. Also, if you'd like to have a tour of your home made like this, we'll be happy to come talk with you, give you a little consultation about how we do our marketing in these challenging times. And if you need to find a home like this, please reach out to Luz. She knows all about all the other homes in the neighborhood too. Do you want to give them your number,
yes.
Luz, just in case?
Of course. My cell phone number is 813-546-6717.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next tour. Bye now.
Bye.
Oh, I can't stop it.